For preparing chicken burger, you will need half kg chicken breast or ready chicken keema. If you have bought chicken breast, you will need to mince the chicken and add it to a bowl. Ignore the step if you have ready keema. Add the minced chicken to a bowl. Add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste to it. Then you need to add all the spices in. You need 2 tablespoons red chili powder, half tablespoon cumin powder, 1 tablespoon garam masala, quarter teaspoon of turmeric and 1.5 spoon of coriander powder. Once all the spices have been added to the bowl, you then need to add 2 to 3 tablespoons of roasted Bengal gram powder. This acts as a binding agent when you make the patty. You then need to add 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander to it. Finally, add salt as per taste and mix the mixture thoroughly. Once the minced chicken is mixed along with all the spices, you can then add a tablespoon of oil on top and allow this to marinate for about half an hour to 1 hour. Once this is marinated, you can then make patties of your required shape and size. Heat a grill pan and add a tablespoon of oil to it. Then add 1 medium sliced onion to the grill pan. Sprinkle some salt and pepper to the onion and grill it for about 1 to 2 minutes until the onions turn translucent. Once it starts turning golden brown, you can then transfer the grilled onions to a bowl. Now spread butter on the grill pan and place the burger buns. Leave the burger buns on the grill pan for about 1 to 2 minutes until the grill marks are formed on the burger buns. Once the burger buns are grilled, you can take them and place it separately. Now add some more butter to the grill pan and place the patties on the grill pan. It takes about 5 to 8 minutes for the chicken to be grilled very well. Then you can flip the sides and allow it for about 5 to 8 minutes again to grill it on the other side. Add butter sufficiently so that the chicken is juicy and soft while you have the chicken burgers. Once the chicken is grilled on both the sides, you could turn off the flame. Let's start plating the chicken burgers. Place the burger buns on a plate and add tomato ketchup and mayonnaise to it. With the help of a knife, spread these evenly on the burger buns. Once the tomato ketchup and mayonnaise is evenly spread on the buns, place a lettuce on the burger base and then on top of it, add some grilled onions. Spread the grilled onions evenly on the lettuce. Now place the patty on top of it. Garnish some more grilled onions on top of patty and then place another lettuce leaf and cover off with the burger bun on the top. You can serve the chicken burger with chips and small chicken patties as sides. Yummy chicken burgers are now ready to eat. Do try this recipe and let me know in the comment section if you liked it. Thanks for watching and subscribe to our channel for more such content.